Hi, welcome. My name is William Zedi. In the last few weeks, I've figured out a way to help people suffocating with debt to become debt-free using a 5-step, often ignored formula and a potent technique kids use to get what they want most of the time. And all this without any more money or getting help from a debt consolidator or a debt counselor. In the previous video, we saw number 1, how to create extra money from interest rates. Number 2, how Victor could slash his credit card debt payment period by half from 36 to 18 months. In this video, we'll see how to create extra cash from an insurance premium. We'll also see what impact this extra cash can have on your debt payment time. How to create money using car insurance. The principle is very similar to the first one we did above on how to create money or extra cash using interest rate on a car loan. But there's also a second, much easier option. Victor could simply go online and visit www.hippo.co.za and do car insurance quotes for his vehicle. Something to remember, car insurance is what is called short-term insurance in the financial industry. So you can change it a number of times, say 2 or 3 times in a year. But I would suggest changing car insurers perhaps twice a year to keep your name, by your name I mean your brand, respectable. Once you log in the necessary information on www.hippo.co.za, you'll immediately get quotations, insurance quotations from several car insurance companies. Now, all that Victor does now is simply to choose the insurance that offers a lower premium. Of course, for the same kind of cover as he had before. However, he should be very careful of the excess fees. They tend to be very different from company to company. Let's say Victor gets a new insurance premium of 520 Rand. How will it change his total monthly car payments? Here's the new improved situation. Victor's car insurance will now be reduced by 15.45%, and overall his total monthly payments on a car will reduce by 5.34% and become 6,337 Rand 6 cents. What now? Reducing his insurance premium would free a total of 357 Rand 45 cents, which Victor could use as he pleases. But there's a better way to use this cash. I'm sure you can guess how we're going to use it. Let's see. What if he adds it to his monthly payment of the credit card debt? If he does, he'll pay off his credit card in only 16 months. That is 20 months less than he initially could have, as you can see by the numbers here. So it's very evident what impact that optimization payment had on the total period of paying back the credit card debt. I mean, 20 months. That's 20 months of being free from the worry that normally, accompanies debt payments. But that's not all. Victor is also going to save himself, let's see, only 2,206 Rand 98 cents. That's the total that is going to save himself. This is the total between what he could have paid had he done nothing, which was 13,841 Rand 86 cents, and what he is now going to pay after he had done something, which is simply 11,634 Rand 88 cents. The difference between the two numbers brings us to a savings of 2,206 Rand 98 cents. Somebody may think 2,206 Rand 98 cents is nothing. Really? What if you invest it? You invested the 2,206 rand 98 cents at a growth rate of say 25% over a 10-year period. This is what you're going to get. You're going to make yourself a cool 1,151,891 rand 50 cents. I don't know about you. Just putting away a mere 2,206 rand 98 cents per month can give you that amount of money over just in 10 years. Now, if today you are something like 34 years, just like Victor here, that means but when you hit 44 years, you can easily, go and withdraw that 1,151 rand, 1,151,891 rand 50 cents. Isn't that wonderful? Just imagine what you could do then with that cash in your hand. But wait, that 2,206 rand 98 cents is money that could have otherwise gone to the bank or a financial institution instead of going into your deep pockets or deep purse. It is amazing what happens when you look at financial matters from a different point of view, isn't it? There's some important things that we should have picked up from this little exercise of ours. And these are just two of the important ones that this exercise demonstrated. One, it is vital, extremely vital, for us to do calculations before making major financial decisions. Of course, most of us don't do this. And as you could have seen, if we don't do that, it can be very costly to us. We normally tend to make emotional decisions. And in the long run, those decisions land us in financial troubles. And in certain cases, these troubles can be very difficult to come out of. So, the next time you want to make a significant financial decision, please do the necessary financial calculations. Number two, I think we need to take responsibility a lot more when it comes to our financial matters. I mean, who cares more about our finances than we do? Of course, it's us. So, doesn't it make sense for us to take the lead in our financial matters? I think it does. And I'm sure you also, from this exercise, have learned that it does. Isn't that obvious? Now, in the next video, we'll see how to wipe out the other debts quicker. That is the personal loan and the car loan. Again, we're going to do this without earning any extra money from anywhere else. For now, if you see value in this information, please share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. I'm sure they'll thank you for it. Until next time, enjoy your day.